Hello everyone. Let's start the topic article preparation part 1 English grammar. Vowels and consonants. Our English alphabets are divided into two groups, vowels and consonants. Vowels A, E, I, O, U. Let's start with A. Ant. Ant starts with A, which is a vowel. X. X starts with vowel A. Apple. Apple starts with A, which is again a vowel. Arm starts with a vowel. Ape. Ape starts with vowel A. Now E. Egg. Egg starts with vowel E. Ear. Ear starts with vowel E. Earth. Earth starts with vowel E. I. I starts with E, which is a vowel. Eagle starts with E, again a vowel. I. Now I. Idea. Idea starts with I, which is a vowel. Idol. Idol starts with vowel I. Igloo. Igloo starts with I, which is a vowel. Ibis. Ibis starts with I, again a vowel. Icebox. Icebox starts with vowel I. Now O. Owl. Owl starts with O, which is a vowel. Ocean. Ocean starts with vowel O. Oven. Oven starts with O, which is a vowel. Orange. Orange starts with O, again a vowel. Olive. Olive starts with O, a vowel. U. Umbrella. Umbrella starts with U, a vowel. Uncle. Uncle starts with U, a vowel. Uniform. Uniform starts with vowel U. Earn. Earn starts with vowel U. Urban. Urban starts with vowel U. Let's revise. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels. Which of these words starts with a vowel? Cat, ant. Yes. A is a vowel. Cat? No. C is not a vowel. Which of these words starts with a vowel? Ask, envelope. Yes. Envelope starts with E, which is a vowel. Ask? Yes. Ask starts with A, which is a vowel. Which of these words starts with a vowel? Mask, bat. No. B is not a vowel. Mask? No. M is again not a vowel. Which of these words starts with a vowel? Bed, eagle. Yes. E is a vowel. No. B is not a vowel. If you have liked this video, subscribe, press the like button, share with it your friends, and turn the bell icon on.